of always using a lot of tools to do just one job? Are they all too heavy and messy? Do you feel that instead of helping you, they just complicate things? Is your work around the house hard to do? Forget about old-fashioned tools.
Introducing HANDZ drill and screwdriver, the portable drill that you need for every task, at home, the office, or all your DIY projects, the ultimate all-in-one tool. It's lightweight, easy to control and maneuver. It's portable with a 3.6-volt lithium-ion battery. You can take it anywhere. Its belt of attached bits on the drill's body is the solution that will make your life easier. Simply change the bits according to your needs. With the versatility of its dual-position handle, you can use it both vertically and horizontally. Working in a dark space, HANDZ has a built-in LED light. And HANDZ is even more perfect for the job with the Cobra Bit extension. Now you can easily screw in or remove hidden or hard-to-reach screws.
No matter what kind of work you have to do, it will be completely simple with HANDZ drill and screwdriver. No more clutter and confusion with so many tools. No hard-to-reach areas. Now you have HANDZ drill and screwdriver.